with meteorologist Brandon Lashbrook.
Well, if you enjoy the warmer weather out there, savor it up because today will be the last warmer day for this week. Really, things will change once again. But right now, I'm out the door, 87 degrees, quite the warm into our Sunday. Dew points still in the 60s, so tonight will be another warm and humid night as well. So we are looking at a cold front moving through, but out ahead of that cold front, we'll see some moisture begin to pool up. And so again, we'll have a chance for some patchy to dense fog across the area. But I think the fog will favor more eastern areas, which is why we had that dense fog advisory for areas along the north shore, the south shore, even including Livingston, Ascension, and even down to Assumption parishes as well. So again, that will be ahead of that cold front, but once that front begins to move through in the morning, any fog chance will begin to dwindle as we head toward the late morning hours of tomorrow. And so we're looking at dew points with this front that will be moving through. See the morning overnight hours, rather humid, dew points into the 60s, so your temperatures will be not far off and just above that. And then that front is going to be moving through, so notice dew points drop down to the 40s, even to the 30s for our Tuesday. So more drier, lower humidity, and more pleasant air will be coming in behind that front. So let's talk about it a little bit more. Out ahead tonight into your early Monday morning, notice the wind direction out of the south-southeast. That will be bringing some more moisture for that fog potential around the north and south shores. And then here comes that cold front into the morning hours with winds coming out of the north and northwest. Really not much rain with this front as it moves through, but a lot of cloud cover as well. Although a few hit or miss showers will be possible late Monday night, overnight, and even into our Tuesday morning, a chance for some light rain generally. So keeping rain chances on the lower side, but can't exactly rule that for our Tuesday. Tuesday will still be pretty cloudy, however, and then another cold front, reinforcing front, will push all those clouds out of the way for our Wednesday. So let's talk a little bit about the winds with it as well. We'll be on the little bit breezy side, gusting up to about 15 to 20 miles per hour behind that front, with winds steady around 10 miles per hour or so. So we'll be pretty breezy through Wednesday, basically. The other feature will be those temperatures. Monday, a little bit tricky. Monday morning, tomorrow morning, we'll be seeing temperatures into near 70 degrees or so. And then here comes that front into the morning hours, and so the afternoon hours, not much warming will take place, and so we're still being about the mid to upper 60s even for our afternoon highs, even though our high may technically be just past midnight tonight as well. And then that front really kicks in with the cold air ushering in as we cool even more heading to our Tuesday morning. Yes, getting down into the 40s, so quite a cold start to our Halloween morning. Even Tuesday afternoon with this cloud cover in place, not much warmer by the afternoon, only the upper 50s, and for trick-or-treating time, still in the 50s as well. Winds, of course, will be a little bit breezy, so it will feel a little bit cooler as well, so you might want to have those warmer costumes on as well. Heading to about midweek, our mornings even colder, possibly even maybe on Thursday, seeing more northern areas closer flirting with freezing as well. So one thing we'll have to watch out for the Macomb area, maybe potentially seeing a first freeze for this year as well. Now, quick check of the tropics out there, a couple areas to watch, a medium chance for NMS 96L, but one area to watch into the Caribbean as it moves westward. Right now, low chance of development, but right now, no exact threats for Louisiana, at least for the next 7 days or so. But we'll keep an eye on it, of course, as we always do, ending up hurricane season. But of course, here comes that front tomorrow, and then we'll be nice and chilly for the next few mornings with cooler afternoons and slowly warm things up by next week and back into the 80s.